Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. How to safely flush your ears with rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol in the ear is often used to help dry out excess moisture and prevent ear infections. The alcohol works by evaporating trapped water, drying out the ears and reducing the risk of conditions like swimmer's ear, otitis externa. Rubbing alcohol can also be used to unclog the ears of earwax. /r/n/r/n It's safe to use rubbing alcohol for these purposes when done correctly. However, there are several instances when you shouldn't try it, like for a perforated eardrum or existing ear infection. As always, it's best to consult a healthcare professional before attempting to self-treat a medical problem. /r/n/r/nAli Majdfar Getty Imagesrnrn Yes, rubbing alcohol dries out ears. When rubbing alcohol touches your skin, your body heat causes it to evaporateor turn to gas quickly. As it evaporates, it takes water with it, creating a cooling and drying effect on your skin. /r/n/r/n This same drying effect is the reason why rubbing alcohol should only be used occasionally to dry out ears. Repeated exposure or overuse can dry out your ears too much, leading to irritation, cracked skin, infection, and other complications. /r/n/r/n Rubbing alcohol is commonly used in ears for a few purposes. /r/n/r/n If you have an existing ear condition or unexplained ear symptoms, consult a healthcare provider before using rubbing alcohol in your ear, as this method may worsen the issue rather than help. /r/n/r/n To flush your ears with rubbing alcohol. /r/n/r/n Make sure to use isopropyl alcohol with a concentration of 70% or less, as higher concentrations can be too harsh on the skin. If you are concerned about the rubbing alcohol irritating your skin, you can dilute it with water. /r/n/r/n Never put objects, including cotton swabs, in your ear canal. Doing so can push wax or other substances deeper into your ear canal or scratch or puncture your eardrum. /r/n/r/n It can be harmful to put rubbing alcohol in the ear if you have /r/n/r/n In each of these cases, using rubbing alcohol in the ear may cause more harm than good. See a healthcare provider for a more suitable treatment plan. /r/n/r/n Urgent care centers, clinics, and healthcare providers can treat common ear conditions like infections. If the ear condition is more serious or complex, it may need to be treated by an ear, nose, and throat specialist, otolaryngologist. /r/n/r/n See a healthcare provider if the rubbing alcohol causes severe pain in your ear. Severe pain can be a sign of a perforated eardrum or another serious issue that needs to be treated by a medical professional. /r/n/r/n You should also see a healthcare provider if /r/n/r/n none of these can or should be treated with rubbing alcohol or other at-home remedies. /r/n/r/n There are other treatments for common ear ailments other than the use of rubbing alcohol. /r/n/r/n The oxygen in hydrogen peroxide often bubbles off, leaving the ear canals wet and increasing the risk of infection. Rubbing alcohol may therefore be a better choice for keeping the ear canals dry and clean. /r/n/r/n Earwax impaction and swimmer's ear can be helped by ear irrigation with rubbing alcohol. However, other conditions, including a middle ear infection and perforated eardrum, can be made worse by using rubbing alcohol. /r/n/r/n If you are unsure what is causing your ear pain or other symptoms, it's best to consult a healthcare provider to get a proper diagnosis. While some conditions that affect the ear typically go away on their own, others may require further treatment. /r/n/r/n rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.